Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Foonglan Garden Teahouse in Banawe, City. Foonglan Garden Teahouse is a long-standing Banawe restaurant known for its authentic Chinese dishes and Dimsum. With its classic interiors and consistent food quality, it remains a favorite for traditional Chinese family dining. Chinese cuisine is to visitors' taste here. Visit this restaurant to try nicely cooked pork fillet, ribs, and fried fish. Guests don't highly appreciate tea at Foonglan Garden Teahouse. The gracious staff welcomes people all year round. If you want to enjoy professional service, you should go to this place. A number of reviewers mark that the dishes are offered for reasonable prices. This spot with the quiet atmosphere can be a good dining place on your route. This restaurant is rated on Google 4.5 by its clients. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Why it's famous for noodles. Foonglan Garden is a long-standing Banawe restaurant known for authentic Chinese cuisine and Dimsum among its menu highlights. Please like, share, and subscribe. Foonglan Garden Teahouse, famous noodle spot in Banawe, City. Foonglan Garden Teahouse in Banawe is well known for its authentic Chinese dishes, especially its noodle feast and other noodle specialties like chicken noodles and braised beef noodles, which foodies and locals rave about. Address: 30U Banawe St. Corner Quenco Street, Santa Mesa Heights, Banawe, City. Hours: open 24 hours daily. Noodle Feast, a signature dish praised in reviews for generous portions and flavorful broth. Chicken noodles, described by food influencers as must-try for its tender chicken and rich sauce. Braised beef noodles, a comforting, indulgent option that locals and visitors enjoy for its depth of flavor. Let us eat. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.
Lasa ng pork chop.
Please do watch our other food crawl series. If you're visiting, try the noodle feast for a full experience and pair it with dim sum for a traditional Chinese meal. For the best value, go during lunch hours, but note the restaurant is open 24/7. In short, if you're in Banawe and want a famous noodle experience, Foonglan Garden Tea House is a top choice. Try the noodle feast or chicken noodles for a taste of its signature style. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.